It is currently 7:20 in the morning. I'm so tired once again. But I had a really decent sleep, which is okay, I'm happy with. But today is game day against England A, but then tonight is also packing day because we leave for Canberra tomorrow. So teeth all done and dusted, now time to go drop my laundry off and go get a coffee just in time to leave for game day. So yeah, let's head off and get a coffee. Alrighty, time to grab my bag and grab my laundry. Cool. My bag. Alrighty, I left a little bit early for a coffee just because there's so many people heading out today from the hotel, so obviously it's going to be busy. So yeah, it's like ghost town this morning. Oh, there's already signs of rain, which is not good. I keep forgetting that it's a Sunday, so not many cafes are open, but we have the laneway. The laneway is open. So good. I actually really like the Laneway's coffee cups. They're actually really cute. So disappointing day with the rain, obviously. But yeah, I guess now it's time to get ready for it. So we've got a function tonight with the Aussie girls. It's like team dinner after their game, but not really sure what's happening with their game. But at the moment, just about to have a shower, get out of these sweaty clothes and get changed a little bit. And I've just got a phone call from Taylor. Taylor's trying to ring me, so I need to stop filming. Okay, so finally off the phone to Taylor. I totally forgot what I was talking about, but yeah, unfortunate that the rain came in today and it was pelting down. But I think we're gonna try and get another T20 up and running in Canberra, but not too sure what's happening there. So yeah, gotta go have a shower, get clean. We've got a function tonight with the Aussie girls at Ladover after their game. Not really sure what's happening over there. Hopefully it goes on. I don't really think so. I think it's raining still. But then gotta pack up everything into this bag tonight for our trip to Canberra tomorrow. So yeah. Alrighty, shower's all done and dusted, hair washed. It's kind of messy at the moment, but please excuse it. Time to have some lunch. I just brought back another ham cheese sandwich and a fruit salad. So yes, that will be my lunch today. Or I'll probably go out and get another coffee. I absolutely love it when they put cucumber on sandwiches. Absolutely love it. One thing I personally hate about wearing a mask, and I'm sure everyone else does, is that when I wear a mask, I feel like I just break out. Like my face, so many pimples come onto my face while wearing a mask. I'm like, sad face. Okay, so I'm about to go pay my room bill off. I remembered my card, but I forgot my room key. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh, I feel so stupid. Oh my god. Alrighty, off to Adelaide Oval for our function. Should be good. Got my accreditation, got my card and my room key card as well, so I won't forget that this time. But no, let's head off. Alrighty guys, back from the function, back at the hotel now. Time to start packing, but also picked up my laundry as well, so we'll wait and see. Is this my stuff? I think it is my stuff. Interesting. But yeah, time to get packing. Our bags need to be downstairs by 9:30, so it's 7 o'clock. Still got plenty of time, but I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to have some more food, because I am sort of starving, because we had food at 4 o'clock and now it's kind of dinner time, so it's kind of all a bit confusing. But yeah, time to start packing, get everything ready, and yeah. So last few things adding into my kit bag for my personal bag. Still got a bit of room for stuff, but yeah, I think I've got everything. It's just stuff that needs to go into my backpack, and yeah, that's about it really. Now I just need to complete this. If I can, so welling. Oh Jesus, welling. Done. I am Oz. Oh Jesus, my handwriting. Oz A. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I've got everything packed in that bag here, and then I've got my clothes ready for tomorrow. So media, polo, shorts, socks, shoes, mask, kit. Like my backpack is all done. It's got my laptop, my iPad will be charging overnight. Some cords still to put away, but really that's about it. I've got an orange juice I can have tonight with dinner or something like that. I'm still 50-50 whether I want to order something else for dinner. And then I basically got a little bag for tomorrow morning with a few things and my toothbrush and that, so I'm ready to go. Alrighty, time to take my kit bag downstairs. Fingers crossed I haven't forgotten anything that I need to pack. Come on, the strikers. Oh, no. Oh! Go, Bull, go. 157 off 17.4. Surely we can get above 170. And then I think we have the bowling attack to defend this. Go, Bull. Just watching the cricket at the moment. I'm still trying to decide if I want food or not. I'm trying to decide. I don't think I want food, but I think I want food. I don't know. I'm so indecisive and I just can't make up my mind. I don't really know. Oh. Actually, I totally forgot they have Uzi back in this game. I know we have Carey and Head back. But yeah, I totally forgot that they have Uzi back. Oh, there he is, speak of the man. I'm going to predict score of 184, I reckon. Predicting a big over here. Oh. 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 One ball to go. I predicted 184. I've got a feeling it's going to be a boundary or a wicket. Shot. Come back for two. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Correct. 184. Yes, come on the strikers. One down, plenty to go. Come on. This can be a big moment in the game. Uzi. Oh. That is, oh. Third umpire has a tough job here, but I think that's out. Oh. Yeah, that's out, surely. Soft signal is out, so surely this is out. Oh, it's out. Yeah. Yes, Fuzzy. This game is getting so close. It's going to be a great finish, but one ball to go. Hat-trick ball for Conway, but 9 off 1. Can he get a hat-trick? Catch. Catch. Oh, no. How awesome was that win from the strikers? Come on, the boys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.